Stealing the limelight, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, steal the limelight. Have you ever wondered what it means or where it comes from? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and find out how to use this expression in your conversations. To steal the limelight means to attract all the attention and interest, often away from someone else who was originally the center of attention. Imagine being at a party where one guest starts telling captivating stories, drawing everyone's attention. That person has just stolen the limelight. The phrase, steal the limelight, has a theatrical origin. In the 19th century, stages were illuminated with limelight, a type of light produced by heating a piece of lime in a flame, which created a bright, focused light. Actors who stood in the limelight were the center of attention. So, when someone takes the spotlight from others, they are said to steal the limelight. Using steal the limelight is quite simple. It's typically used in situations where someone unexpectedly becomes the focus of attention. For example, during the award ceremony, the host's witty remarks stole the limelight from the award winners. I planned to propose at the party, but my cousin's surprise announcement stole the limelight. This phrase can be used in both positive and negative contexts, depending on whether the attention shift is viewed as a welcome surprise or an unwelcome intrusion. Let's look at a few more examples to understand how to incorporate this phrase into your daily English. Despite being a newcomer, she stole the limelight at the fashion show with her stunning performance. The game was going well until one player's incredible goal stole the limelight. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting into various situations where someone becomes the unexpected center of attention. And that's a wrap on Steal the Limelight. We hope this video shines a bright limelight on how and when to use this expressive phrase. Remember, language is a window into culture, and idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing more intriguing phrases and idioms to light in our upcoming videos. Happy learning, and see you next time!